Hello, my name is Sigma Smith and I am a domestic violence attorney with the Legal Aid Office in Fayetteville, North Carolina. And I wanted to provide you with a little bit of information about a DVPO. With COVID-19, we've seen an increase in the number of domestic violence incidents in North Carolina. And a DVPO is one way to provide victims of domestic violence with relief. What is a DVPO? A DVPO is a domestic violence protective order or a restraining order for victims of domestic violence. And in North Carolina, in order to qualify for a DVPO, or a domestic violence protective order, the first thing that you must show is that you have a personal relationship with your abuser. And that relationship must fall within one of the following categories. They must be a current or former spouse, or a person of the opposite sex with whom you've lived, or a parent, child, or a grandparent, grandchild, or someone with whom you have a child in common, or a current or former household member, or someone of the opposite sex with whom you have a dating relationship. The second thing that you must show in order to get a domestic violence protective order or DVPO in North Carolina is that you are a victim of domestic violence. And you must show that your abuser has attempted to cause you bodily harm or has intentionally caused you bodily harm or has placed you or a member of your household in fear of imminent serious bodily injury or continued harassment, or that your abuser has committed a sexual act against you or a sexual crime against you as defined in the statute. Filing for a domestic violence protective order or a DVPO in North Carolina is free. And where to file depends on the county where you are planning to file. So you should reach out to your local domestic violence agency. And for a list of agencies, you can either call the National Domestic Violence Hotline. That telephone number is 1-800-799-7233. Or you can go to the North Carolina Coalition Against Domestic Violence website. And all of that information is located in the comments below. Thank you so much for listening.